Hi and welcome back to Home Chef Mark. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy dark chocolate brownie recipe. But first of all, remember, if you wanna keep supporting Home Chef Mark, simply subscribe by clicking this button here below. The ingredients for this recipe are 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 2 whole eggs, 1 deciliter of strawberry jam, 1 tablespoon of meringue and 1 tablespoon of berry blend powder, some blueberries and a couple of strawberries. Preheat the oven in a temperature of 220 degrees. First thing to do is melt the chocolate and the butter. Add 50 grams of sugar in each bowl. In one of the bowl, add the egg whites, and into the other one add yolk. Whisk the egg whites and the sugar. Beat the egg yolk and the sugar. On the melted chocolate, combine the egg yolk sugar mix. And then combine the rest. Now mix it well together. On a baking dish, place a baking paper and pour the chocolate mix on top of it. Place it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you can cool it down for another 20 minutes. Now it's time to plate this beauty. Grab a plate, add some of the strawberry jam, use a stencil to cut perfect round disc and place it on the plate. Add again some strawberry jam, some meringue, and some berry blend powder. Add some blueberries, and place the second disc on top of the other one. Slice the strawberry, add again some strawberry jam, and place the sliced strawberries on top of the disc. add some blueberries in the center of the disc. And to finish it, add the berry blend powder and meringue and a couple of drops of the strawberry jam. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, leave it in the area here below. And the most important thing is, remember to subscribe to Home Chef Mark if you want to see awesome recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Ciao!